What are your thoughts on DAG? I think it's definitely going to be used. They have an ape graph that they use for their blockchain, which isn't really a blockchain. It's an async graph. But the applications that they currently have and contracts that they have with Panasonic and the government and other things that they're doing, I think will lead to a high level of usage on that network. I can tell you the application for Panasonic and what they're doing there. So they do metadata. They're a metadata oracle. So basically they look at a bunch of different data and then they analyze that data and provide the metadata above it, which is a big deal. A lot of medical firms, there's a ton of applications and use cases for that type of oracle. And they also have kind of smart data. So there's kind of like if-then statements. So if you have metadata that reports a certain way, then it can be reported in a way that the smart contract needs it to be reported in order to be able to execute based on certain circumstances. So a real world application of this. You have police cars that have a laptop in them, right? Like I'm sure you've been pulled over, you've pulled up next to the police officer and they're running plates on their laptop. That laptop has real-time sensors in it for where the vehicle is at all times. There are a lot of traffic accidents for cops, unfortunately, because they speed through red lights, they do other stuff. But that laptop serves as like a real-time reporting of where they are and what's going on in their environment. And DAG is using that and the metadata on that to be able to refute insurance claims or have things processed the right way when there's incidents with them. So I think that, the metadata that they're able to provide for insurance providers, and then there's, like I said, there's tons of other applications for this deal. So I'm bullish on it. We actually run a node over there at the mastermind on DAG.